Jungkook was destroying everything. His one hand was bleeding because of all this, and Vine was getting scared. When Jungkook stopped, she screamed out her lungs, but Jungkook didn't stop. She looked at him, how madly he was searching for that content. He pushed the table and it fell on the floor. Vine didn't had another choice, so she went towards him and held his hand. He stopped, but he was trembling because of the craving. Sweat was on his forehead. Jungkook, I can control it. I need it. There must be some left. He was trembling while saying that, and Vine cupped his cheeks and tried to calm him down. Calm down, please. Listen to me. Jungkook shook his head and removed her hand and started searching it again. Vine knew she had to do something, so without thinking twice, she went towards him and cupped his cheeks and sealed his lips with hers. Jungkook stopped. He was shocked. He was still trembling, but now he couldn't process what was happening. Wine started moving, making him close his eyes. He stopped and held her tightly and started replying her with more passion. He was getting calm slowly, and Wine could sense it. She herself was lost in him. He forgot his addiction because he was getting what he wanted from start. She was there with him. He held her tightly, thinking that maybe she will might disappear somewhere, but no, she was there for him. When Wine sensed that he was calm now, so she slowly came back, making him stop also. Jungkook gulped, looking in her eyes, and she was looking down. She became shocked when he whispered, I want more. Vine looked at him shocked, and he was looking like he was desperately waiting for it. Vine took a step back, making him frown, and then she said, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know what to do. And then just, Vine, you did right. Vine stopped when she heard him, and then Jungkook came towards her and pulled her towards him while holding her hand, and she was shocked. Jungkook, you did right. I knew there is something which can calm me like that. Vine looked in his eyes, trying to understand what he was saying. Jungkook, tell me one thing. Do you want me to stop taking them? Vine frowned but nodded her head, and in the next second she was shocked when he said, Jungkook, then help me just like you did today, and I promise I will never see them again. Vine, but no, I can't do. She took a step back, removing his hand. Jungkook, you did it now. Then how, why you can't? Vine looked at him. She didn't knew he will say something like that. She wanted him to stop taking them, but how can she do that? Jungkook, fine then. I think I have to continue because I don't have another choice. Saying that, he picked his phone and dialed a number. Vine was looking at him, seeing what he was doing. Jungkook, hello, I need a stock at my place in half an hour. He said on the call while looking at her, and her eyes widened. She knew if he started it again, then he wouldn't stop, so she said hurriedly, stop. I will help. Jungkook smirked slightly and came towards her. Jungkook, what did you say? Vine, I will help you in overcoming this addiction. Jungkook smiled slightly and took her off guard, like saying, do you care for me that much? She looked in his eyes and saw him smiling slightly. She nodded her head slowly, making him smile more, and in the next moment she knew he took a step and kissed her deeply. It started like that, but still Vine wasn't liking this idea. After all, she didn't had any relationship with him, but for him, she was his everything. 3 days were passed like that, and Jungkook had stopped drinking and taking those content. He was trying hard to overcome because he had given his words to her that if she will help them, then he will stop. Whenever he craved for them, she was always there for him. Just like now, Jungkook woke up and first thing he do is to drink, and now he came inside the kitchen to look for wine. He stopped when he saw her. She was working. Her hairs were open and she was wearing white sunflower frock, looking cute. He smiled and went near her. He took the cup from her hand, taking her attention, and she knew what was coming. He put the cup on the table and loosed their distance while holding her waist. She put her hand on his chest. She closed her eyes, but to her surprise, he plastered a kiss on her forehead. She opened her eyes and found him smiling at her. Jungkook, your presence, your care, your affection is my cure, not just these. She was shocked because she never knew that he will say something like that. Their attention went on a guard who came inside and told them that Jungkook's parents are here, making Jungkook cold and angry, but decided to meet them. Coming inside the living area, Van served the tea to his parents. Mr. John, I'm happy that you have stopped taking those. Mrs. John, yes, and we are so happy for you. After all, it's good for your health. Jungkook was only looking at them coldly, and Van was sensing everything. Mr. John, how did all this happen? Jungkook, well, thanks to you, you took them away, and I got my cure. Jungkook said with a smirk, and Van's cheeks turned red. His parents weren't getting anything, but they were happy. Mrs. John, that's great. Then Ryan, you can came here because of his condition. So I think if you want, then you can go back to your parents. Ryan looked at them shocked and Jungkook sat straight while glaring at them. Just the thought of her going away was making him crazy. Jungkook, who are you to decide this? Mr. and Mrs. John looked at him shocked at how he was saying this to them, including Ryan. Mr. John, Jungkook, she was just Jungkook. Enough. If you are done, then you can leave now. Mr. and Mrs. John looked at him shocked, but they knew they deserved this. After all, they had always pushed him away. They soon left, and Jungkook turned towards Vine, who was already looking at him. Vine, you shouldn't have talked to them like that. Jungkook smiled but was enjoying her cute, angry behavior. He came and brushed hairs from her forehead and started playing along. Jungkook, and then on what relation you are saying this to me? Who are you to me? Vine gulped. She was feeling sad on what he said. Vine, no one. She whispered slowly and tried to turn to leave, but he held her hand and pulled her towards him. Vine saw the smile on his face, making her frown, but he cupped her cheeks and said, you know the time you came at my place at first, I never considered you anything, but then the way you cared for me, you changed my thoughts regarding you, and now you are my everything, Vine. My life, my soul, my peace, everything. Jungkook, so Miss Vine, if you have a little bit feeling for me, if you have a little bit space in your heart for me, then can you accept me as your life partner? And I promise I will always keep you happy. Vine looked in his eyes and saw that he was genuinely expressing his love for her. Vine, at first I always considered you my boss, but the time which I spent with you, I had started feeling for you something more than that, but I always kept that to me, thinking I am no match for you. But if you are okay with it, then I am ready to give us a chance. I would love to accept you as my life partner, Jungkook. Jungkook smiled and said, then how about we celebrate the starting of this new journey? Vine nodded her head, smiling, but she frowned when he said, okay, so where are the drinks? Vine looked at him shocked but glared slightly, making him chuckle, and then he said, oh, here they are. Saying that, he pulled her chin and sealed her lips with his one, sharing their moment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.